They say this city runs on dreams.
The fear of not being enough. He wanted to give them everything. But somewhere along the way, he lost himself.
This video that you just watched, I didn't film it, no camera, no actor, no studio. I made the whole thing using one tool, which is Flova AI. So the good thing about Flova AI is it's a conversational agent with which I just talk in plain English. Watch this. Make me a 15-second viral style UGC ad for a skincare serum, energetic, trendy, and fast cuts. And just click on the generate button and it will take you to a new tab. So you don't have to think the script, you don't have to think the characters. It will do everything on its own. So it has started by generating media assets and the agent is analyzing. So this is the video that it generated for me. Let me play this video. Oh, okay. So I mean the UGC ad that it made is perfect. So let me play and show you the details that it made. So can you see the sun shining? Let me show that again. Can you see the sun shining? Can you see the color of serum like slowly fading because of like the sun? Yep. So how accurate is this? We see the skin, it looks like a real person's skin. Then we have the same color of serum, and this character was totally built by Flova AI. So I didn't do anything in front of you. I just gave it 5 to 10 words and it has generated me this high quality ad which is perfect. It created the character for me, music, sound effects, and everything was consistent throughout the video. Like, every scene looks like it is connected to the next one. Okay, so let's go back to the dashboard. Viral trends change every 2 weeks because Flova AI carries all the mainstream models. So just click on this models button and you'll be able to see all the video generation model, image generation model. So at the time of recording this video, ChatGPT Image 2 is the best model to generate images. And for videos, we have CDance 2.0, which is the best and the latest model for video generation. That basically means you're not locked out of whatever style is hot this month. If you're not sure which model to pick, just let Flova AI pick the model for you if you don't know which one to pick. Here are two ways to work here depending on your mode. If I want control, I can give it the storyboard text directly, and I can also give it reference images that this is the character that I want you to use. The second thing is you give it control over the storyboard, tell it to create a character by itself and it will do everything for you. You just have to sit back and relax. And the good thing about this model is it has skills. So whenever you're using skills, you don't have to repeat yourself again and again, and it already knows the end result that it will get for you. So we have a list of skills which you can explore. You can also view the skill humanistic documentary film. I can also view it by clicking on this eye icon and just click on content. Here we have the complete skills file which is written by professionals. Okay, so you can use this skill. Just click on use skill and it has been added in the chat. Okay, so right now we have a new GTA 6 live demo. Let's try it out. Let's add my image here and now let me give it a prompt. So in GTA 6 style, I want you to create me a scene where I am driving a supercar inside GTA 6. Additionally, I want some more scenes. Can you plan that out for me? Okay, so now I'll just click on generate. Before clicking generate, as you can see, we have GTA 6 live demo and I have my image with it as well. So now it will take you to a different dashboard where it will create the storyboard, character, and consistent scenes. Okay, so because it is agentic, it is also creating a markdown file. This file basically has all of the things. The ratio is 16:9, which is YouTube aspect ratio. Then we have GTA style, 3D gameplay, and we have my image as well, element custom hero. So it has created a story overview, a day in the life from king to strip and target on the run, all in 45 seconds. So because this is agentic AI, it will not take your input again and again and disturb you. Like it will try to solve the problem by itself. So this is the reason I'm using Flova AI. It gives you access to all the latest AI models, and secondly, it has really good agentic features. As you can see, it is generating images in parallel. Element custom hero, element supercar, element neon strip, without me even touching the timeline of any character. Okay, so it has created my character. So this is my 3D character which looks like it is me. in 3D. This is the car that I'll be driving. This is the place where I'll be in. I don't know why we have forest. So let's see what we have. All 4 elements images have been generated at 2K resolution using Nano Banana Pro. Okay, Nano Banana um, has actually outperformed. I didn't know it could generate this clean images. Okay, so it has like selected the model by itself. If I were doing it, I might have used ChatGPT's image generation 2 model, but it has given me a pretty good output. So I think I'll not be touching that part. Before I move to generating the video shots with Dance 2.0, please take a look at the character. Yeah, I think character looks fine. Go on with the video. So the good thing about this, it will first show you the character, the places, the scene, the colors and stuff, and it will then ask you that is everything looking fine. And once you have approved everything, it will go ahead and create a consistent video for you. So right now, if you want to like make some kind of change to your image, you can just type in here, you can give it a comment and it will regenerate that image for you. Or if you want to add some other element to the image, so you can do that. You can also regenerate that image. Anyway, right now it's generating us the video using our media files. So I'm saying this again, the agentic feature inside Flova AI is really powerful. As you can see, it has and everything that from 0 second to 5 second, this will be the shot, this will be the scene, then this will be the scene, and like everything is being planned and thought carefully, deeply. Okay, so as you can see, it has generated me these 3 scenes. Let me play the first one. Okay,
They say this city
we just have a, oh, that's me.
and high-octane fuel.
Can you see the smoothness in this scene? So here I am recording on mobile phone. I don't know if I can make this more bigger on screen. Okay, so can you see I was recording on my phone, and every angle that it generated, it's perfect. So here I am in the forest. Oh, okay. Oh, we still have one video. After that, it will stitch all of the videos and give me an output of a 45-second video. So here we have the last scene, which is me. Okay, me escaping. Okay, so this is the final video output. Let me play it.
They say this city runs on dreams. And high-octane fuel. 1 minute, you're king of the strip. But hey, that's the price of admission.
So this was it for this video. I will put a link to this website in description, so do check it out, and I'll see you in the next one.